Miner's aggregate ballast discharge gates effectively ballast inside, outside, or both sides of the rail. The aggregate ballast discharge gates are safe, durable, and maintenance-free. Engineered as a fabricated and completely assembled unit, it can be applied to new or existing hopper cars. The tapered guillotine door openings are designed for easy ballast shutoff at switches, crossovers, and bridges. Aggregate ballast discharge gates are available in 3 models. The first is a manual model with a 3-pocket, 3-position handle for easy opening and closing of doors. Spring tension holds the door in position at any opening for controlled flow of ballast. Custom engineered transition sheets are available as an option to enable new or retrofit applications to most hopper cars. A second model is available with an air-powered dual cylinder in either push-button or remote control operation. The remote control system transmitter enables an operator to select a specific car and gate. This allows easy control over the ballast flow, ensuring more accurate discharge inside, outside, and on both sides of the rail. A handheld transmitter is designed to allow radio door operation from distances as great as 300 feet. The transmitter can select up to 1,000 cars for remote control operation. Single or double door control options are available as well. For non-remote operation, car-mounted hand or push-button valves can also be furnished. The third option available is a solar-powered, electric battery-operated, standalone model designed to enable independent operation of the car from anywhere within the ballast train. This eliminates the need for grouping manual and automatic cars, since it can be operated without connection to another car for power. An optional remote control with push-button override is also available, and is designed to allow for individual car and gate selection as either a new system or retrofit kit for Miner manual aggregates. On the air and standalone electric systems, indicators are also mounted on the outside of the gate to show when an interior door is open on the gate. This model also features Miner's new standalone lighting system to aid in nighttime operations. This solar-powered, car-mounted LED lighting system is available with all aggregate models. Energy from the system's solar panels is stored during the day and then is used to power LED work lights at night, creating a safer work environment. This feature is also available for all 3 aggregate options. It is a standalone, solar-powered application that can be applied to any type of car. Miner's aggregate ballast discharge gates for ballasting inside, outside, or both sides of the rail. Reliable performance, proven design.